Hey there, everyone. My name is Joe. I'm a artist here, based just outside of Chicago. Today, one of the things I've been doing lately is postcards, and I want to try and send basically long distance hugs to friends and family. And but I also have this irreverent series. So today is part of that irreverent series. What I'm going to show you today is how to do a little cartoon bird that's wearing a gas mask, and the title is "You Are the Wind Beneath My Wings," even if it really is due to flatulence. So, stick around. I'm going to show you how to do the pencils, inks with the Molotow black liner pens, and final colors with Derwent Inktense pencils. So, stick around. Thanks a lot. Okay, I start off with, I use the 2B mechanical pencil, mainly because it makes it easier for you guys to see. So, let's start with the bird. So we want the head, and then the body, and basically just kind of a oval shape, so circle shape. The tail comes off back here. There's some feet, and then the wings. Basically, put the other one back here. And now we draw a tiny little gas mask, little cartoon gas mask. Series of circles, get some straps. And some extra feathers. Then you are wind beneath my wings. And down here, fogginess. And if it's mostly due to flatulence. Smell it? I think so. Poot. Wrap. Some fog up there. This is where I'll sign it. Okay, so that's pretty quick. Quick little cartoon. Excuse me. For the text, I'm going to use my 0.7 Molotow black liner. And then here. I'm going to add the word "your" in here. It's mostly due to your flatulence. Okay. Switch to the 0.4. Just a little bit thinner and get in for some better detail on the bird. So keep my pencils my pencils are a guide. Go. Put in some clouds. Toxic clouds. Let's get the sound effects. Okay, now I'm going to erase off the pencils and then come back in and see if I need any, I'll probably come in with the 0.1 millimeter Molotow black liner, add a little bit of cross hatching to keep some dimension to the black and white drawing. All right. What can I put in my one? Okay. Okay, just kind of adding some space between some of these clouds. There we go. Okay, now, oops, extra stuff. Now for the colors. Let's go with kind of a blue and I guess we want the blue sky. Okay, and I think for the bird, sorry about the truck noise. Okay, this wing that's in the back, I want to make it look a little bit darker because that'll help it pop behind. Okay. And I think actually we'll put a little bit of blue in the bird too. Bluish bird of happiness. Okay, now for the stink clouds, I'm going to kind of go with this kind of greenish yellow for the highlights. And I think I'll try and find some like kind of muddy browns and greens. So I think if I use this leaf green's a little kind of olive greeny. And I want to have the heart. Gonna sign things with love. And I'm gonna put a little bit of red in the bird too. Give him some red tips. There we go. Now we come at it with the water brush, which I've lost because I am so well organized. Okay. Yep. I'll find another one. Alright, we'll go with this other one here. This one's a little bit bigger. Wanted to keep that sky blue pretty light in the background. This background stuff, it can be a little bit slapdash. Okay, I'm going to come in with the bird here. And for this one, we're just going to work top down. I'm going to have to come in with a little bit of some kind of darker color for that mask. Some kind of color. And for this, I'm going to kind of be messy. Get some red on those wingtips here too. Okay, so I think for the mask, I'm going to use Derwent's charcoal gray and just kind of hit it with the edge. I don't want to. It still may fill up the whole thing and make it all black, but I'd like to not do that. Keep a little bit of a edge there. All right. Oh, just a little bit of blue. You are the wind beneath my wings. All right. You are the wind beneath my wings, even if it mostly is really due to flatulence. Even if it's mostly due to your flatulence. So, yeah, like I said, this isn't a rubber one. This will probably go out. I have a cousin. I'm going to probably send this one to. So he's my age. I think he'll appreciate it. And, yeah, so I guess, when we're stuck inside, this is the time when you got to try and get each other to laugh. Do your best that you can. Make people laugh. I'm trying. Hopefully you're getting a kick out of this stuff. Please like, share, and subscribe. Comment below if you got any questions. Ring the bell. Hit the bell icon for notifications. And I'll see you tomorrow. Thanks a lot. I'm currently posting daily. We'll see how that goes moving forward. I think once the restrictions let up a little bit so we can get out and about more, I'm hoping to film some different things besides just postcards. So I'm going to start doing filming some of my paintings. I'll be filming some of my threadless creations, and as well as I think outside. It's one of the things I like to do. It's really very relaxing is plein air painting. So I like to get out there, check out, just enjoy the weather, and apply those things that I learn outside to my inside paintings. So thanks again. See you tomorrow. Take care. Ciao.